All right, so we are here with the new truck. This one we're calling NOCHE. It's a 1993 GMC Sierra, one owner truck. This thing is nice. I would say it's very similar to like a barn find. You know, it's one truck that was sitting for a long time. I have the title to prove that it's one owner, clean title. I mean, look at the interior. I mean, I didn't even shampoo it. I literally just had them vacuum it, wipe everything down. Same thing with the outside. Looks like they probably repainted it at some point. I don't think this is original paint. Obviously it was black before, but what I did to it, I could put a list, but full service on the engine. I do have some headlights coming in. Grill, I'm not gonna do. I've put a lot of money into this truck at this point, so I'm not gonna redo the grill, but headlights are coming in. I'm gonna have those on. New 22-inch wheels, staggered, so I think they're 8s in the front, 11s in the back. Lowered suspension, brand new lowering suspension. C-notch also, you could see they C-notched it there. So this is a super nice truck. I love this truck. I also love black, so that's probably another reason why. But yeah, this thing is super clean. Let me show you guys the inside here. Look at that. Bam. Crazy. Super nice. Also, when I got it, the headliner was so messed up. It was hanging. These are all freaking messed up. So full suede headliner. I think it like sets it off, dude. Looks freaking clean. Oh, almost start up for you guys. Come around on this side. Keys. Boom, starts right up. Doesn't get better than that. Power windows, power door locks. This thing is sick. Can't beat it. Love these wheels. My wheel guy, working with the new wheel company. This is our first set he sold from this company. And these things are hot, man. 10 out of 10. People are loving this look. I'll close the door and give you guys a better look. But this one probably won't last long. It's the first truck I've had that's one owner, 155,000 miles. I mean, just, I'll shut up for a minute so you guys can hear it run, but once I put the new headlights, this thing's going to freaking look good. It's not a perfect truck, but I would say, I mean, it's an 8 out of 10 for sure. It just needs some little things, man. New grill, you know, new trim on the sides. If you put a new grill, new trim on the sides, updated the mirrors, and just put a system in it and an exhaust. I didn't put an exhaust on it. You put an exhaust on it, I feel like those three things, and a bed liner. It needs a bed liner, but I mean, it's a truck, right? Maybe, I don't know. So probably $500 on a bed liner. Maybe get, you know, try to buff those out or get new taillights, trim, bed liner, taillights, trim. I mean, I'd probably put a system in it, update the mirrors, grill, because the headlights will be new. Dude, that's it. I mean, I put a new windshield in this thing. I mean, full engine's been serviced, spark plugs, everything, water pump. Dude, yeah, we've done a lot to this truck. I mean, it still needs a little bit, but I feel like for it to be a competitive pricing, you know, I think it's good. I mean, you could just jump in this thing and go. Literally, if you just wanted to just throw a system in it, I would throw a system in it for sure. You could leave the rest though. But badass little daily driver. Maybe a couple $1,000s away, maybe not even a couple, maybe $1,000 away from being like a truck that you would take to a little show, a local show. So this is the truck, man. We're calling it NOCHE 1993 GMC Sierra SLE. Badass truck, bro.